Ellie and I got to go to our Oshkosh store bakery to learn how they make decorated cookies. So they start by measuring out all the ingredients, which are sugar, shortening, cake flour, and then a combination of milk and water. And then they begin the careful process of mixing. They start slowly so it doesn't go everywhere. And it only takes about 30 seconds until everything is nice and incorporated.
So then we got to rolling out the dough. We started by placing flour on the table and then flattening our dough balls and then using sticks to help get the right thickness. Then we started cutting out cute little shapes of flowers and hearts, and then we got to baking. It bakes for about 15 minutes. Then it comes out looking perfect and golden brown. Then we started decorating. Here's what a great cookie looks like. Then we started decorating and realized it was much harder than it looked, and ours didn't look so great. But a good tip is to hide your design with a little sprinkles. So head to your local bakery because they're always coming out with new designs.